Hi, we are given a question here that is based on a trapezium. So let us go ahead and we'll read this question. ABCD is a trapezium, and we are seeing that AB is parallel to CD in this particular figure, where the length of AB is given as 13x, length of CD is given as 17x plus 12x, which we can write here as 17x plus 12x, and the total length of CD would become 29x, whereas the length of AB is 13x. We also know that the height of the trapezium is given as 5x. Our first question says, find the area of the trapezium in terms of x and simplify your answer. So in part A, first of all, we'll see what is the area formula for trapezium. It's equals to half times sum of the length of parallel sides AB plus CD times the height between these two parallel lines. So we can say that half times AB plus CD, that is 29x plus 13x, and the height is 5x, which can further be written as half times, after addition, we see that we are getting 42x times 5x. After simplifying, the answer would be 21x times 5x, and we get 105x square. That would be the area of trapezium. Moving on to part B of this question, we see that we need to find the angle y degree. This angle is the angle BCD. We need a right angle triangle here, which we already have. If I assume this to be point M, I can say that in triangle BCM, tan of y degree is equivalent to the ratio of opposite side to adjacent side, which can further be written as 5x divided by 12x. So we see that y degree can be written as tan inverse of 5 by 12. And using the calculator, we can see that this angle would come as 22.61 degrees. Thank you.